I'm Miriam from Keto Chow, and today I have a grocery haul from Walmart. Why can't I say the word grocery? Grocery haul for my meals for the week for my family. So there's a few different options for breakfast that I have that I'll show you. We went ahead and got pork sausages. This is kind of a lot. You can separate them out so that you have individual servings if you want. We will typically eat the whole thing or at least half of this in one meal, but there's 8 of us. Eggs will go with the sausage, and then I also have some bacon that I bought on sale. We also buy eggs even though we have farm fresh eggs because our chickens only lay 3 eggs a day and there are 8 of us, so we always need to buy eggs. Another breakfast option is Keto Chow. I make it with butter. I'll make a whole bunch ahead of time, and then if I decide I want to have that for breakfast, I'll have it. Another breakfast that I like to have is the Keto Chow core because it has less acacia gum than the pre-Keto Chow recipe. So I like to have it because then I have a little bit more room in my macros. My kids typically either fast through breakfast or eat breakfast at school, and so a lot of times they don't eat breakfast. We don't have breakfast. Breakfast is not there for them. No breakfasty breakfastness. Mozzarella cheese. This will be on the days that the kids are home. We'll have chaffles, which we can put a link up here for how I make chaffles. For lunch options, I'm super excited about these. This is a huge thing of wings, right? I can get 2 meals out of this. We did a Superb Owl video. I'll also link that up here if you want to see the ranking for this recipe. The Chipotle lime chicken wings are so good. I've made them like 5 times since that video. So good. They are sticky though. And you need an allulose syrup that you can get online on Amazon, which I can put in the description if you want to grab that. Something else for lunch that I really like to do lately is just tuna melts. When I was growing up, we used to have bread and then put tuna and cheese on top and put it in the oven. And now I just do it without the bread. So it's just tuna, a little bit of mayo, some dill relish, and then I like to put a little bit of cheese on top, and I put it in the oven and bake it. It's so good. My kids love it. You can dip it in sauce or not. It's just really good. Another super easy meal for us is burgers. Sam has viola lessons on Wednesday nights, and it's super easy and quick to do burgers. We'll throw a couple of these on the side. I like to put these in the oven with some onions and a lot of butter and cut them in half and make them really crispy. Last lunch, anywhere that I have a space, a lot of times I'll do a Keto Chow, and chocolate mint is one of my favorite flavors. Okay, on to snacks. Some of you may not like this, and you can easily make your own Jell-O. I'm totally behind making your own Jell-O, but sometimes I need a quick thing. And snacks, I like to put in my meal plan and then omit them. But I don't have to have it if I don't want it. So then I know which snack is what I'm gonna go to. I've already got it planned. And the kids like this. They're sugar-free ones, so it's better than potato chips or ramen or whatever thing that they want for after-school snack. Something else I put in as a snack are these 2 Good yogurts. I like them because they have a higher protein. I also build them into my meal plan and then omit them if I want to. But I like to have them for the kids too because then they can have them. They also like to put Magic Spoon cereal or Schoolyard Snacks cereal in the yogurt. Super easy quick snack would be cheese sticks or string cheese. My kids like the Colby Jack ones. These go like water in our house. If there's a package, it's usually gone in a couple of days. Probably your safest bet for a snack would be meat sticks. The 0 sugar kind that are at Walmart are really good. Okay, for dinners, one of Sam's favorite meals is chicken cordon bleu casserole. It has the Keto Chow chicken soup, so I'm holding this here. We have chicken in the freezer that's left over from Sam's Club, and then there's Swiss cheese on top and ham that we can just cut up. I also like to get from Walmart the little cube ham that's already done for you, and that maybe isn't the most budget friendly, but I don't care because I like it. Another one of our favorite meals, we probably have this once a week, is taco salad. Avocado, cheddar cheese, olives, tomato, sour cream. We don't always have these Quest chips. It's kind of a fancy thing, but I get these for the kids sometimes, and they like them, and I find them at Walmart in the pharmacy section. And then ground beef. Oh no, the romaine lettuce. Okay, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. I'll get it later. We put in the ground beef, the beef Keto Chow or the taco soup Keto Chow. and it helps to incorporate the fat back into the beef. It's super great and it gives you more fat, so we love doing that. For dinner one of the nights, we're gonna do shrimp skewers. It's a really delicious recipe by Carrie Brown. It's on the website. The link will be in the description below if you wanna check it out. It has a lemon sauce. That's why we had the lemon here. It's so yummy. And then I have enough that I should have lunch for the next day from leftovers. We'll have this asparagus with the shrimp. I just like to cook this the same way as I do the Brussels. I just cut them up small, put them with a little bit of onion, some butter in the oven until they're crispy and good. Thank you so much for joining me on my grocery haul at Walmart. I'm so glad I spent time with you and you spent time with me. La li la. I forgot the Parmesan cheese. Guess what? This is for a really delicious recipe. It's a cauliflower cheese bake. It's a recipe that we've had for a long time that Taffy made. So yummy. And on one of the meal days, I have myself fasting through breakfast, so I have enough carbs to have the cauliflower for dinner. So, sorry I forgot. Thanks so much for joining me today. Have a great day.